Welcome to our explainer. Today, we're jumping right into the magical world of Python land.
Imagine a valley filled with these unique storage rooms, and every single room has a special name.
But one day, a room called Name completely forgot who lived inside it. Victor the caretaker totally panicked. "Oh no," he yelled, "the rooms are losing their memories."
So, the villagers searched everywhere, finally finding a traveler named Emmanuel to step inside.
As he walked in, a glowing magical scroll popped up in the sky with this code.
The room literally started glowing with excitement. It yelled out, "I must be Emmanuel!"
But in older room, Age just laughed. "Nope," he said, "you are not Emmanuel." Name was so confused. The traveler, Emmanuel, was standing right there inside him.
Age smiled. "You're just the room. Emmanuel is simply the value you're storing right now."
Then, suddenly, a brand new traveler named Peter wanders right into the valley. Instantly, a fresh magical scroll appeared up above with updated code for Peter. To make space, Emmanuel packed his bags and left, so Peter could move right in. Name gasped, "Wait, if I was Emmanuel yesterday, how can I be Peter today?"
Age replied, "You were never Emmanuel. You're a variable. Your job is storing changing values."
And guys, that's exactly what a Python variable is, just a named container storing information.
The stored value can totally change over time, but the variable itself stays exactly the same.
Follow Code Stories for more adventures. So, what value will you store in your next variable?